Picture this. You're sitting at a rooftop bar with your friends. The skyline is gorgeous. Everyone's laughing. But inside your head, you're calculating. You got paid 5 days ago, and you're already down to your last $50. Meanwhile, the person across from you just casually mentioned they opened their first brokerage account at 22 and already have $12,000 invested. You want that. You want to stop flinching every time your card gets swiped. You want to build something real. But here's what nobody tells you. In 2026, the financial system is quietly set up to keep you broke. Not because you're lazy, but because most people walk straight into 5 invisible traps that drain their future before it even begins. I'm breaking all 5 of them down today, with the actual numbers, and more importantly, exactly how to escape each one. Trap 1, the debt trap that quietly hands your money to a bank. Trap 2, living with zero backup plan. Trap 3, lifestyle creep, the raise that vanishes. Trap 4, waiting too long to invest. Trap 5, thinking your financial education ends at graduation. Welcome to Fiscal Sensei, where we master the art of wealth. And if you're new here, this channel is built for people who are serious about changing their financial story. Hit subscribe and the bell icon right now so you never miss a video. Now let's get into it. Trap number 1, the debt trap. The first trap has the prettiest packaging: credit card debt. As of 2026, Americans are carrying a record $1.27 trillion in credit card debt. The average interest rate on a new card sits at 23.79% APR, one of the highest levels in modern history. You buy a $2,000 laptop on credit. You tell yourself, I'll just pay the minimum. At that interest rate, by the time it's paid off, you'll have handed the card company over $1,400 extra. You didn't buy a laptop. You rented it at a massive premium. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it once. Trap number 2, living without a backup plan. Meet Alex, 24, decent income, spends on good food, subscriptions, weekend trips. One Tuesday, his tire blows out on the highway. The bill, $450. Alex doesn't have it, so he swipes the credit card, and Trap 1 kicks back in. 1 in 4 Americans has zero emergency savings. 43% couldn't cover a $1,000 emergency. The median emergency fund for Gen Z is $400. It wasn't a catastrophe that broke Alex, it was a tire. Before investing a single dollar elsewhere, build 1 month of expenses in cash, then 3. That buffer is the foundation everything else stands on. Trap number 3, lifestyle creep. Meet Sarah. Started at $42,000 a year, lived modestly. Got promoted, an extra $8,000 a year. She moved to a nicer apartment for $400 more a month, leased a car for $350 a month, started buying coffee out daily. By December, she'd spent $9,200 more than the year before. Her entire raise, gone. It's not about what you earn. It's the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Automate the raise into savings before your lifestyle absorbs it. We're halfway through. If this is hitting home, hit subscribe now. We post videos like this every week. Now, trap number 4, and this one is pure math. Trap number 4, waiting too long to invest. 80% of Americans wish they'd started investing earlier. The average American makes their first investment at age 27. And nearly half of all millennial adults still own 0 shares of stock. Meet Jordan and Taylor. Jordan invests $200 a month starting at 22, stops at 32. Just 10 years. Taylor starts at 32, invests $500 a month, and keeps going to 62. 30 years. Taylor put in 3 times more money for 3 times longer. But Jordan, purely from the power of compounding, likely retires with more. Time isn't just an asset in investing, it is the asset. Trap number 5. Thinking your education ended at graduation. Only 22 US states require a personal finance course to graduate high school. And in 2026, AI is reshaping entire industries faster than ever. Skills that paid well 3 years ago are already being automated. Meet Jamie and Marcus. Same job, same starting pay. Jamie assumes the degree is enough. Marcus spends just 30 minutes a day learning AI tools, personal finance, digital marketing. 3 years later, Jamie's pay hasn't moved. Marcus has tripled his income. Your earning potential reflects the value you bring, and value compounds the same way money does. Which brings up a question. If compounding is this powerful for both money and skills, what happens when you stack them together? That's exactly what we're breaking down in next week's video. The one habit that lets your money and your knowledge grow at the same time. Financial freedom in 2026 isn't reserved for people who got lucky. It's built by people who saw these 5 traps and deliberately walked around them. Most people watching this will feel motivated for 20 minutes, then go right back to the same patterns. But you're still here, which tells me you're not most people. If you want to keep building real strategies, real numbers, no fluff, subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds. Every week we hand you one more tool to build the life you actually want. Now, I want to hear from you. Of these 5 traps, which one has cost you the most money this year? And what are you doing differently starting today? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.